Alright, so we're just going to do a quick check here to see everything is still okay in the memory, and the way we want to do that is we want to go into the level 1 and level 2 password. So what you need to do first is press setup plus level 1 password to level 1 password, and then you want to put in the password here. So you go press the stars here, and the password is 270, so I'm going to press 270, and then you press the enter button here, the arrow, enter. So once you're there, you press level 1 again. So now what we need to do is we need to go to the level 2 password now. So we press level 2 password, we go to level 2 password now, and then we press the box here, and then the password here is 2003. So I'm going to go 2003, press the arrow again. So now we press level 2 password. So there's a couple settings here we want to check on these menus. So the first menu we want to check and see is analog inputs. So we pressed analog inputs here. What we want to see is we want to make sure it says for do is 1, temp is 2, and then it should look similar to this. If it doesn't, we might have to change it. So what I want to do is, if we have to change it, we press the number. And let's say in this case we want it to be 1, we just press 1. So I'm not going to change it because it's already 1. So escape. And then same here with the temp, it should say 2, and you see it says 2 here. We have to make sure that's present. So that's the first thing we want to check. So once we're done checking that, we want to check up the setup gases menu. So press setup gases. So you'll see setup gas 0, setup gas 1. Press gas 0 here. It should say something like this: do and F, and these should both be off. So we can change the name and whatnot. So it says do here. So for instance, we see how it says do. Yeah, we would. Right now it's okay. So I'm just gonna press enter, and that's it. I'm not gonna change it. So once that's done, we want to go back to the next menu. Setup gas 1. We see temp. Something similar to it. It has to say temp, and it has to say unit as F. So I'm going to keep that as is again. So here I'm just going to press enter, and same with the unit as F. I'm just going to leave it as enter. Okay, so once we're done checking that, we want to check the next thing, which is the enable disable of the gas numbers. So we press the enable disable button here, and then we press the gas number button. And this we have to ensure that it says 2. So in this case it already says 2. If we have to change it, we will press 2. I'm just gonna make it 2 again. And exit. And then that is it right there. So yeah, just make sure these are the correct settings on your analyzer, and let me know how it presents on your unit.